The COVID health crisis has turned to a health messaging crisis because what was once a largely unstoppable virus can now be stopped, experts say, if enough people are vaccinated. And as this new Delta surge puts new intense heat on people pushing, well, the opposite health message, some did change course. Last month, Fox News' Sean Hannity was widely noticed for what seemed like a change in his approach to the virus. Now, he shifted back, but I want to show you this because we know from the public record Sean Hannity doesn't even believe some of what he's saying. Here is how he used to sound.
Please take COVID seriously. I can't say it enough. Enough people have died. We don't need any more deaths. It absolutely makes sense for many Americans to get vaccinated. I believe in science. I believe in the science of vaccination. I never told anyone to get a vaccine. I've been very clear. I am simply not qualified. I am not a medical doctor.
That was just within a few days. Now, the Biden administration is urging people to get vaccinations. They're calling on employers to take a bigger role. They are worried that this will get a lot worse if the numbers don't get higher for vaccines. And Fox News' Sean Hannity is out here. I just showed you the reversal. Now he's gone even further, pushing what is essentially misinformation, twisting certain pieces of information about how the vaccine works.
Now that the science shows the vaccine will not necessarily protect you, it's not protecting many people.
No, that is false. And he's stating it like it's a premise as a lead up to a question with, well, the mini Trump in Florida. The vaccine actually protects many people. That's the whole point experts have emphasized. As for the piece of information that some people get vaccinated and can still have the coronavirus, either without symptoms or with some symptoms, the breakthrough cases are still estimated to be roughly less than 1 out of 10. And when you do get them, the whole point is you are unlikely to get severely ill or die, which means the vaccine is working. And yet saying I'm not a doctor seems to be the new talking point over at a place where people can't keep their talking points straight.
If your kids are over 12, you probably ought to get the shot.
Yeah,
right. Or see a doctor decide what you want to do. That's what usually people go to for medical advice, doctors.
I didn't go to a doctor before I got the shot.
Well, that's your decision.
Absolutely.
That's your decision. But I don't think anchors should be recommending medical advice.
Yeah.
Yes, because that's a channel over there that never tells anyone what to do, like vote for Trump or you name it. Now, it is your decision. That part we could all agree on if we're being fair. The president also, to be clear, is not even saying he's considering trying to do anything that would mandate the vaccine federally. So when we talk past just these talking points, make the decision for yourself or this or that, let's talk about the whole issue of the public health crisis. Get the public health facts and then, yes, decide for yourself. Here's some facts. COVID's getting way worse. The COVID today, the Delta variant, is worse than last year. That's why Alabama's out of ICU beds. 36% of its residents are vaccinated. It's a problem there. And out of those hospital patients, 12% vaccinated against the coronavirus. So 88% of the patients in Alabama's hospitals where this is going on are the unvaccinated. They're the people that doctors are trying to help by saying, hey, if you were vaccinated, it'd be far, far less likely you'd be in the hospital right now. So you need the facts. And by the way, I mentioned doctors and medical experts and the science and the CDC, but you don't even have to take the experts' words on all of this. You could just listen to Sean Hannity. Well, Sean Hannity during that brief moment in July.